Hello students, welcome to Global Online Chemistry. Today we are going to deal with coupling reactions. First coupling reaction is Hague. Hague reaction is palladium catalyzed coupling reaction. In this video we are going to discuss what is Hague reaction, its statement, its reaction mechanism, stereochemistry, and we are going to discuss few important problems. Now let's start. Let's start with its statement. The Hague reaction involves coupling of alkenyl or aryl halide with alkenes in presence of catalytic amount of palladium complex and base to form alkenyl and aryl substituted alkenes. Means in this reaction, if we use alkyl halide and alkene in presence of palladium 0 complex in presence of base, we got a coupling product and palladium 0 complex as it is plus base and HX attached to it. Base used in these reactions are Et3N, NaOAC and aqueous Na2CO3. If we talk about the stereochemistry of Hague reaction is E-alkene. Means major product formed in this reaction is E-alkene. Now we are going to discuss step by step mechanism, how E-alkenes are generated and how we can solve their problems. We can going to discuss. If we are going to talk about the mechanism involve 4 steps. Let's see. This is L4 palladium 0. L means ligand. Here we are taking L means PPH3 triphenyl phosphine as a ligand. If you remove 2 ligand, we get 14 electron complex, but palladium is in 0 oxidation state. Now we know that this 14 electron complex is unstable. After oxidative addition of alkyl halide to this complex, our complex becomes 16 electron and oxidation state of palladium is changed from 0 to 2. In next step, due to oxidative addition, total electron count is changed 14 to 16 electron count. In next step, carbopalladation means syn insertion of an alkene. This alkene is going to insert into this complex in a syn manner like this. XPD, palladium in second oxidation state and syn insertion of alkene. After rearrangement and followed by syn beta hydride elimination. Syn beta hydride elimination means elimination of proton present on beta position. This is an alpha position and this is a beta position. After elimination of this proton, we got as an E-alkene or our coupling product we got. After that, in last step, in reductive elimination in presence of base to furnish 14 electron complex as it is, means palladium 0 in a oxidation state. In such catalytic reactions, oxidation state of palladium goes on changing, but at last step oxidation state becomes as it is. Means in Hague reaction at initial step oxidation state of palladium is 0. After oxidative addition it becomes second. After reductive elimination it becomes 0. That's why we called this such type of reactions are coupling reactions. In short, Hague reaction involve oxidative addition, carbopalladation means syn insertion of an alkene, followed by syn beta hydride elimination, followed by reductive elimination to generate catalyst in its oxidation state, means initial oxidation state. Now let's discuss some problems regarding it. As we have discussed, stereochemistry of Hague reaction is E-alkene, means major product from in such type of reaction is E-alkene. Now look at this. This is an aryl halide. It reacts with alkene in presence of palladium to form E-alkene. We have to just wrote E-alkene in presence of palladium. Now look at the second one. This is also an aryl halide. React with alkene or couple with alkane in presence of palladium complex in presence of base to furnish E-alkene. I am writing the product as it is or directly. You can also predict the product by using a mechanism, but this is a short trick. We have to remember that major product from in Hague reaction is E-alkene. So we can wrote like this. Now third one. Alkene react with alkyl halide in presence of palladium complex and base to form an E-alkene. Now look at the fourth example. This is a very much important one. This is an aryl halide react with alkene in presence of palladium and to form E-alkene as a major product. At last, in conclusion, we can say that Hague reaction is palladium catalyzed coupling reaction. Reaction involve palladium in a zero oxidation state. Reaction involve 4 steps. First step is oxidative addition. Second one is carbopalladation followed by syn insertion of an alkene. Third step is syn beta hydride elimination. Last step is reductive elimination to regenerate catalyst in its original oxidation state. If anyone have a problem in such type of reaction, please comment in a comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.